Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can add color swatches on your items and your products on Shopify. So let's get right into it. For this, we're going to be using apps, since that is going to make our job a whole lot easier. And we're just going to type in color swatch over here in the top menu. And first, you're going to have to click on apps and then go ahead and type this in. And as you can see, no results are found, but we can click to show this in the App Store. Once we're here, we're going to select one of these, and I'm going to select Glow. You have a free plan available for this app, and once you just click on it, you can click install, and then it's going to install into your Shopify dashboard. Once that's done, you can then get started and actually use that app. As you can see, you need to verify everything. So I'll just click install, and as you can see, it's going to start installing that app. And once that's done, it's just going to refresh the page, and then we can go ahead and go into Glow Color Swatch. Once you're here, you can then, well, pretty much just select the plan that you want, and I'll just click continue as free, and I'm going to click that again. And that plan has been selected. App embed, you can embed it into the Dawn theme, so I'm just going to choose that, and then I'll click I'll do it later, simply because I don't want to go through that right now. And as you can see, now you have your swatches which you can edit. Now, as you can see, you need to sync your online store so that all the items are available, and then you can customize the appearance, the global setting, and the product group for your swatches. So let's go into appearance, customize as you need, and as you can see, you can set up the swatches if you want. So just click on swatch, select the shape. I'll select circle. I'll increase the size, increase the spacing a bit, and align it to the center, and that should be pretty much it. Once you're done with that, you just click save, and then if you've integrated everything, unlike me, you'll then have your swatches on your product pages, and that's pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.